What is that? Hello. Dad, I saw a train last night. A train?
Here? Maybe it was just a dream.
No, it was real. Please come back. It's back.
For those who need a friend.
Look at this place. It's truly something else. So glad you're here. Hi, I'm Lily. I'm Noah. You're funny. You smiled.
Did you make this? Yes. Would you like one? Laughter makes everything warmer. I think you're right. Now it's broken. Maybe we can fix it together.
Try this.
It might actually work. Listen, it's beautiful. Would you like some cocoa?
Thank you. I needed that.
A puppy once chased our fire truck.
Really?
All the way to the station.
Is this train for me? I hope I'm not too late. Hi! Come sit with me. There's room here. Would you like half? Thank you. I don't feel alone anymore. Neither do we. Where are we going?
Good evening, travelers.
Where does this train go?
To the people who need it most.
It has stars inside.
Every lonely heart has its own light. Keep this safe.
I will. Kindness is the fastest train?
You are never truly alone.
Really?
Never.
Everybody sing with me.
La, la,
La.
Look at the fireflies! They're so beautiful! Wow!
Why are we stopping? Everything is so quiet.
Our final stop is near.
Look at that! Ah! They're flying!
I remember this day.
It feels like yesterday.
Home.
This place feels, familiar. They look like wishes.
Keep believing in friendship.
I always will.
Music is better with friends.
Yeah! Yeah!
Every journey must find its ending.
Will I ever see you again?
Whenever you choose kindness, this train travels with you.
Can I sit here? I was hoping you would. We found each other. Ha! That's the real magic.
Sometimes the greatest journey is simply sitting beside someone who feels alone. One small act of kindness can change a life forever.